Want to know how to use AI to trade? I show you the exact strategies you can start using today. Most traders fail not because of bad tools, but because they don't have a strategy. So here's how to use simple AI trading strategies that actually work. Number one, trend following. Look for a market moving clearly up or down. Use a moving average to confirm the trend and enter in the direction of the trend. This is one of the easiest and most reliable strategies. Number two, mean reversion. Identify when price too high or too low. Use identifiers like RSI or Bollinger Bands. Buy low, sell high. This works because markets often return to their average. Number three, breakout trading. Mark key support and resistance levels. Wait for price to break the level and enter with momentum. AI tools help confirm real breakouts using volume data. Here's how to avoid losing money. Always use stop loss, small position sizes, and risk only 1-2% per trade. How to start today? Pick one strategy, test it on demo, use AI tools for signals, and stay consistent. Keep it simple. That's how traders win. Subscribe for more step by step AI trading tutorials.